Hi, Springs Ranch Bobcats. This is Mrs. Gamusia from the Art Room, and today we're going to be doing a project using our name as the basic piece of our artwork. And what we're going to be doing with our name is we're going to be decorating it using a theme. Now, a theme is a subject, idea, or topic that kind of helps create unity in a piece of work, whether it's in literature or art. For example, you could create a nature theme or a camping theme. Maybe you want to use the idea of a birthday party as your theme, or flowers, or some other holiday, sports, hobby, you name it. Anything can be your theme. But the idea of a theme is that it creates unity in your piece of artwork. There's lots of ways to create unity in art, but how we're going to focus on unity in this week's art lesson is by grouping similar things together. I'll give you an example and maybe it'll make more sense. So what I first want to do is think about my theme. So I'm going to use my daughter's name, which is Olivia, to decorate today. Now, she just had her birthday party, so I think having a birthday party as my theme will be a fun idea. So then what I want to do is brainstorm all of the things that you might see at a birthday party. So for example, balloons, cupcakes, or a cake. And probably quite a few other things that you could think of when you think of the idea of a birthday party. So that's going to be our theme. Next, I'm going to take a piece of white copy paper and a pencil, and I'm just going to start to lightly draw the letters of Olivia's name. Now, I want to draw them lightly, and I could always go over them later with marker, colored pencil, or crayon. But I'm going to start to draw the letters of her name, and I'm going to transform each letter into an object. So for example, and I want to draw her letters fairly large, I'm going to start to draw the letter O. But what do I want to transform the letter O into? I could refer back to my list. Oh, I know. I could transform the O into a balloon. Why not? So as I draw the letter O, I'm just going to add a little thing here for the bottom of the balloon and maybe a ribbon coming down. Awesome. Next thing is the letter L. So what can I use for L? I know. How about a streamer or like a party ribbon? So I'm going to make it kind of like a curvy L so that it looks like a party streamer or decoration. Next is the letter I. Oh, perfect. I know an idea. How about a birthday candle? And the dot for the I can be the flame. Next is the letter V. So I'm going to transform the V. Let me look at my list here. Oh, I know. It's kind of in the shape of a party hat, of upside down V. Maybe there's polka dots. I have another I in Olivia. So I'll just do another candle, keep it simple. And finally, the letter A. This is a harder one. Maybe I could just draw the letter A, and on the inside, I'll add a cupcake. That's it for now, boys and girls. I hope you have a great time decorating your name using a theme this week. Remember that a theme is an idea or topic that helps create unity in your piece of artwork. So have fun with that, and I look forward to seeing you in in-person learning after Labor Day. If you would like for me to see your artwork, you could always have mom or dad help you upload a picture using the Google Classroom app on their smartphone. If that's not available for you, please complete the Google form and submit it for your art grade. I'll see you soon. Take care now.